Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a simple event card on your phone using Canva. I'll be teaching you 5 simple steps in creating something nice, something beautiful. It could be Christmas greeting card. It could be for any event, child education, Valentine's, birthday, whatever. Something as simple as what you can see right now on the screen. Now let's delve into it. Step 1. Download the Canva app. Go to your Apple or Play Store to do so, or simply go to your browser, type in bit.ly/getfreecanva, and you'll be able to download this. If you download it through your browser using this link, you will get free credit which will be used to purchase premium images on Canva. On Canva, you have free images that you can use for free in your design, and there are other images that are premium that you need to pay for. So with the free credit you'll be getting, if you download it with this link, you can have access to premium images while making your design. As we progress, you will know more. A link to download will be left down in the description box of this video, so check it out and use it to download the app. Second step, open the app that you've downloaded and you'll see your designs. Yours will be empty because this is your first time. Then you click on the plus sign here to begin to create your own design. First step, choose the size. In this case, we'll be choosing the card as the size. We're trying to create a card, so we'll choose card. Okay. Then tap on that white space and then you see options of text, image, sticker, whatever. So go to templates, select template, scroll down to select whichever template you want. If you want to be specific in the search box, you can type in what you want. Maybe Christmas, then you can see all the Christmas templates. Is Valentine, type in Valentine, you see so many templates that you can use so that you can design your card as fast as possible. So we selected this template. Next step is to remove the pictures that are in there and put in our own pictures. Okay, so click on each of the pictures. The gallery will show up. You scroll down your gallery, select the picture you want to use, and it would appear in that space. Do that for the 3 pictures. You can also go to your image tab to select picture if you want to use Canva pictures. Okay, instead of picking from your gallery, just go to image and look for pictures. I'm building the 2 pictures with images from Canva picture collection. Okay, like I said, some pictures are free, some are premium, so I use free pictures here. So you can edit the text to whatever you want to write. Merry Christmas, child education, happy birthday, whatever you want to write. So just click on the image where you have the text and begin to edit. You can see, you can use this to select the style of the write-up, the color, the fonts and all that. So just explore. You can also move the image around. Just grab it, touch it, and move it around as you wish. Okay, the final step, which is the 5th step, is for you to download by clicking like I just did, and then it will download to your device, to your phone. So just go to your pictures and you will find it there. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share as well. You're free to share. Thank you, and subscribe.